All right, family, we are on our way to check out. Oh, who said? Who said? Who said? Have you seen these? You've seen these? Okay. Oh, you could put flowers in here, roses. Ooh, what's she doing? Child. So these are $1.25. They don't have a price on them, but I'm guessing these are $1.25 because they're not in a plus. Well, over here they don't. They have this stuff mingled in. But child, did you see those? Right. So when I say fancy, pantsy, mancy, move your feet to the beat in these Dollar Tree streets, chill. These are cute. All right. Okay. Ooh, honey. Now, let me stay focused because it's not on the list. Now, Dollar Tree also have the tumbler with straw, $1.25. These are so cute. But honey, I declare, me and my children don't need no more tumblers, no more cups, no more. All right. And then they also have the mailbox kits over here. These are cute. Ooh, $1.25. Mailbox kits, more Valentine's Day themes. Ooh, look at the dog. Isn't he fancy and cute? Really nice. Exchange cards they have. They also have the treat bags with twists, ornaments over here, treat bags with zip ties, the hanging heart chandelier. And honey, we already talked about these. We talked about these already. $1.25. Now, if you done missed out, I don't know what to tell you, okay? Because I definitely caught me 2 pairs. Well, 1 pair for me and 1 pair for my daughter, of course, Amani. All right, $1.50. These are $1.50. Okay, so I'ma just do a check to see how much these are because, honey, I don't want to say they're $1.25. How you do this? These are $1.25. I just wanted to make sure, honey, because I can't be out in these streets telling you guys one price and then you get to the register is something different. All right, so Dollar Tree has some more nails. These are cute, $1.25, child. And then they also have these, the French manicure, $1.25. Child, these nails are nice. Really cute. These are by far my favorite though. The ones that look like this. And then they also have these. I purchased these today. Really cute. And then they have the modern art. Okay. I don't understand why some of them, now these are cute, I like those. Why some of them have 32 in there and it's the same as their company. And then some have only 24. I'm a little Dollar Tree. Come on, you gonna have to fix that, okay? They also have the mini to go. These are $1.25. Oh, these purple ones are cute. And then they also have the French neon nail set. Really cute. But I'm looking for the glue that they used to have. I don't even see it. Oh, gosh. And that glue was really good. Honey, my sister said, she said, how long you had your nails on? Because it looked like that glue. She said, gosh, her nails was coming off. But she was saying, asking me how long did I have my nails on. But that glue is really good. Honey, they don't even have it. Peace, family. Peace. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys how the nails look. Okay, this is from my previous Dollar Tree haul, the one before this one that I'm doing. Okay, all right, make sure you guys catch yourself up. I uploaded 3 videos today. Okay, so these are the nails. I like these nails. The color, oh my goodness, it looks so good. Okay, still deal like Holyfield. These were $1.25. Could you believe that, child? $1.25, and I believe you get 30 for $1.25, and it also came with the glue. But if you guys have watched some of my other Dollar Tree hauls, when I talk about the fake nails, how it comes with the glue, in my opinion, it don't last. I mean, it doesn't hold the nails. Okay, so I had went to Walgreens today, and I had got some kiss glue, and honey, this glue is doing it for you. Okay, well, doing it for me, boo. Okay. All right, so make sure you guys finish watching the video. I love you guys. Keep watching. Make sure you believe in yourself. Let's go. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. I hope you guys are having such a phenomenal day. If not, to understand and get your day, your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. All right, so we on our way inside the Dollar Tree. Okay, I am in a place to be. Okay, Dina is on the mic like the MC. Ooh, honey, she fancy. All right, let's see what Dollar Tree has in here. Now, I am in here for about 4 items, okay? 4 items. Now, some of you guys may be like, Dina, what is this, right? Honey, it's a cold sore, fever blister, whatever you want to call it, okay? I've been getting these since I was a kid. Now, Dollar Tree had these bandages. Well, not bandages, but they were something like this, right? So cold sore bandage. But it didn't say cold sore bandage. It said like pimples and stuff like that. They were $1.25. So the black one that I have here, I definitely was using those, and oh my goodness, they work so effectively. But Dollar Tree don't have any more of those. And I still have some more of the black ones, but this morning when I left out of the house, I was like, oh, this is good. It wasn't. The thing was coming off. The black thing was coming off because I only put one on. And so I went to Walgreens today and had purchased this. This was $10. Okay. But if you ever see the patches that Dollar Tree has, that says like blend cold sore. I mean, it doesn't say cold sores. It says pimples and stuff. I definitely used it. It pulled the stuff all out. Not to be graphic or anything, but it's really, really good. So to the ones that's out there, maybe somebody could find that useful. All right, so let's see what Dollar Tree has. Now I'm in here for 4 items, like I said. Okay, 4 items. Let's move our feet to the beat. Let's go. Now, Dollar Tree is not playing no games, okay, baby? Now, Dollar Tree have the Mardi Gras mask over here that comes in, let me see, 4 different colors. They have the blue, the gold, the green, and the purple. Honey, the feathers for me, really, really cute. These are fancy. Ooh, child, I like these. Really, really nice. Nice. Alright, so as soon as you walk in, Dollar Tree has the Toyland Your Choice, and this is pretty much the items that they have. These items over here are $5. Okay, they also have the Easter selection over here with the tinsel decor. These are $5, and then the wood egg beaded garland, which is $5. The welcome signs, $5, and then the printed plush peep throws. Those are also $5, and then they have the tablecloth. Peva, I think that's how you pronounce it. Wipe clean. These are $3, and then they also have these fancies over here. Now I had seen these yesterday at the Dollar Tree near me. These are $5. Really, really cute. I think these look really good for your tabletops and stuff like that. They also have the tinsel bunnies, $3, and then the solar mushrooms, $3. They also have the teddy weddies. Okay, teddy weddies, honey, the bunny honeys. Okay, these are $3. Hanging decor, really, really cute. Tabletop egg decor, $3, and then set of 4 egg containers with the peeps. Okay, these are $5, and then they also have the Sesame Street baskets over here, which are $5. Still deal like Holyfield 3-tier serving tray. This is $5. Oh, double ward tumblers over here, peeps. I absolutely love these. These are $5. Really, really cute. And then they also have the table runners, which are $5 as well. Still deal like Holyfield bunny pom-pom garland, $3. And then more of the egg garland. These are $3 as well. Now, if you are looking for some items to go with Easter decor, okay, like some candies and stuff like that. Dollar Tree definitely have the Peeps over here that comes in different flavors, different colors, and these are $1.25. They also have the milk covered marshmallows, $1.25. I don't really care for marshmallows like that, although I never had what is it? You know, the mushrooms that you put on a fire. I never had those. Maybe I like those, okay? But I like the marshmallows and what is that? Rice Krispie treats. That's really, really good. Now, Dollar Tree also have some more Easter decor, $1.25. Felt, bunny, garland, pom-poms, $1.25. Color your own ornaments. So, honey, this is pretty much, this is giving, DIY, all right? Window clings, $1.25. You get 14 pieces, and then they also have some more garland over here, which is a still deal like Holyfield. Oh, this is new. The rabbit with the pom-pom. I know that's right. More garland, more garland, more garland, and then they also have more of the Valentine items over here. All for $1.25, okay? This is going to definitely get you to move your feet to the beat in these Dollar Tree streets. Now, LED lights for Valentine's Day. Ooh, child, gonna have a fancy good time, okay? They also have the glitter hearts over here for $1.25. You get 24 pieces, glitter hearts scattered to put on the floor or on the bed. 60 pieces for $1.25. And then, of course, they have these socks over here that are $1.25. Honey, that $5 now kind of threw me off. Now, Dollar Tree also have these bags over here, these gift bags. Now, they did have, oh, what's the name of the bags? Like the tote bags, but they don't have any more of those. I guess the people brought those because they was really, really nice. Now, they also have the tinsel garland over here for Valentine's Day, okay, all right, and then they have these heart-shaped slot but baskets over here. They also have the this is, I don't know if I've seen this, glitter hearts. Maybe I did at another Dollar Tree. $1.25. Oh. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have the 25-foot tinsel garland right here. These are cute. I like these. And then they also have some more heart decor. And then they also have these banners over here. Those are fancy pantsy. Okay, that deserves a fancy reward. Okay, they also have these plush teddies over here for $1.25. Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute. And then they also have the lawn steaks over here for $1.25. Containers you looking for, they definitely have them. I definitely love this one. Be My Valentine. The black and red is a go for me. Is a go. $1.25. And then they also have some more decor over here, $1.25. If you are looking for garden items, spring fling, okay, like a chicken wing. Honey, it's the chicken, okay, 10 pieces, plant labels. Ooh, child, $1.25. And then they also have the garden flags. They have the solar steak lights over here, $1.25. The hummingbird feeders, $1.25 as well. Hanging baskets, anyone? $1.25. Honey, Dollar Tree is definitely giving it up for me, okay? They definitely moving their feet to the beat. Okay, so for St. Patty's Day, Dollar Tree definitely have this decor over here. This is $1.25. They also have the hanging decorations. That's $1.25 as well. Oh, this is cute. This is nice. Look at the hat and stuff. Oh, that's fancy. Happy St. Patty's Day, St. Patrick's Day. With the leprechaun. Really, really nice. $1.25. Oh, these are new. All right, so for my youngest son, I'm going to go ahead and get him this pen. This is the Mike and Ike pen, and we absolutely love these pens. They have the 10 colors. When I was a kid, honey, if you had one of these pens in school, child, honey, you had a little money, okay? All right. This is $1.25. Okay, so I had came here for the shampoo that they had. Oh gosh, they don't even have any more. I wanted to try that shampoo and that conditioner, but they done brought it all up. All right, y'all, move on to the next part. All right, so since they don't have that shampoo, right, everything happens for a reason, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and get this mist bottle. This is $1.25, and they come in pink and also in purple. All right, so these are definitely new. The microfiber hair towel, super soft, absorbent. Microfiber helps to reduce drying time. And these are $1.25. They come in 3 different colors. They have the pink, the blue, and also the purple. Now, I told you guys about this, okay? Smoothing foot cream. When I tell you this stuff is good, word to the mother, okay? All right, really, really good. It's folate and foot cream too, very good. Oh, both of them smells really, really good, but the brown sugar and almond oil, oh my goodness, that is like chef kiss. These both are $1.25, and what really got me was the packaging, okay? Because they seem to, like they cost something, all right? So, but they are very good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these pads right here. I really don't care for these. I like these better. But are these the long ones? I can't tell. All right, I'm gonna go with these because this puts me in the mind of honey pot. This is actually the dupe. These are good. Yeah, these are the long ones. Absolutely like these. $1.25. Now, I had told you guys about this water, honey. They buying this up, okay? Child, you gotta move your feet. They don't play over here. $1.25, and this is good, okay? Apple, and I think this is the apple and banana. Yeah, the apple and banana. They have lemon and berries. They had the kiwi and pomegranate. I had brought the kiwi and pomegranate and lemon and berries, okay? And it's good, okay? This is $1.25 for 500 milliliters. Is cleansing water, all right? So makeup, you want to remove anything like that on your face, or if you just, after you wash your face, you just want to put this on, this is really, really good. Still deal like Holyfield. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get this brow pencil right here, which is $1.25. So the patches that I was telling you guys about, it looks something like this. Okay, now this is an acne patch. And the one I got, I think it was an acne patch too. Okay, removes impurities to help pimples look smaller and flatter after one use, non-medicated. But the one I have, I think it has something that starts with an H in there. But these are $1.25 and you get 6 patches. Okay, so I also need to get some floss sticks over here. Let me see. I'm going to go with the... No, I like the Gren one, but they only have the kiddos. Let me see. I guess I could go with the Eco Gang. And you get 50 floss picks for $1.25. And this is plant-based. Y'all don't have no more of the glue, nail glue?
There's no more in aisle 6. Probably not. 642.
All right, family, so our total is $642. All right, family, make sure you guys rock out. Believe in yourself. Keep going. Keep growing. Until next time. Peace.